I'm at a new stage in assembling this tavern table, a small table. One end is already, this isn't glued yet. I've just temporarily assembled the pieces. And I've just attached some clamping cauls that have an angle so that when I do glue this up and peg it, I'll have clamps that pull this together. So the parts to this are here, and I'll just go ahead and put this together. Angled mortise and tenon joints pinned. And this, you can see my triangle marking maybe. Helps position everything properly. So I've got the clamping cauls just taped with double tape on this assembly as well. I did drill for the pegs, so that's done. Now let's see if I can get the stretchers in here. So this goes here. No, it doesn't. This is lower stretcher. This is the skirt. And there. Okay, yeah. Let's see if this will fit. I have not drilled for the pegs that will go into the ends here. So that'll be done. I'll glue these end frames to separate assemblies first, and then I'll do this part last. But I just wanted to make sure how this was going to go together. And it's going to be a sturdy little table.